Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Apps Tech. Today I want to show you the best app that its name is Quora, question, answer and more. Quora is an question and answer platform that empower people to share and grow towards knowledge. People come to Quora to ask questions about any subject, read high quality knowledge that personalized and relevant to them, and share their knowledge with others. Quora is a place to share knowledge and better understanding the world. It is 19.5 MB in iOS and the same in Android. It is the best app. Let's open it. Quora, and here I have my page that we can also write about something like sport, technology, economics, and etc. And complete your profile. It's this the always they get us that to be updated. The second one is the answer that James Leland Harp. If I have an associate degree in business and administration, could I easily transfer to get a bachelor's in marketing or another business major? These are the all information that you want to achieve. The another thing is, what are some bad movies with great senses? Another thing, in here we have the top charts, and here we can write. It's very helpful for you. I recommend all of you guys to download the app and get more information you want. You can also search that what you want. It's very good app. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and press ring bell and comment below which app or which game do you want that I make videos for you guys. Thank you.